Hello everyone, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this statement bracelet, statement bangle. It is very easy to make, it goes really fast, and it's also a great addition if you are selling on markets. So today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet right here. Now these two bracelets are basically worked the same. So as you are going to see in the tutorial, this is a 22 centimeters, this is a 23 centimeters and worked over 10 rows, and this is a 25 centimeters, so around and it's worked over 5 rows. They are all worked with different kind of yarn. So this is a blend of wool holding 2 strands together. This is a t-shirt yarn, and this is a novelty yarn, also worked with more than 1 strand. So for this one I'm holding 3 strands together, yes. So they all look different, but they are all worked the same. To crochet this statement bracelet, I'm going to use t-shirt yarn. This is from Prolana. It is 50% cotton and 50% polyamide. It has 50 grams. 60 meters. Recommended needle is from 6 to 8 millimeter, and I'm going to also use the Ricorumi Lame. This is 10 grams, 50 meters. I'm going to hold 2 strands together, so one of my t-shirt yarn and one of the Ricorumi. In addition to the yarn, I am also going to use a 6.5 millimeter hook, yarn needle, a stitch marker, a pair of scissors, and you also need a measuring tape. And if you want to crochet the Miffy glasses holder or just like a trinket dish, there is a free tutorial on my channel. I'm going to leave you the link for it into the descriptions down below. And I have here a sneak peek of the upcoming tutorial. This is going to be a mermaid baby doll neck holder crochet top. So this is going to be the next tutorial. I hope you are going to join me and make one of these. So first you need to measure the widest part of your palm. So the statement bracelet needs to go over your palm, and for this you are going to hold your hand like so, and then go around, also including this bone here, and measure. So in my case it is 21 centimeters. So we are going to make a chain that is 21 centimeters long. In my case, go ahead and do yours. So first make a slip knot and then chain until you reach the measurement that you need for your hand. Okay, so I've chained the amount that I need for my hand, and just for the reference I've chained a total of 21. Now we are going to close our chain to form a circle into a ring. By making a single crochet, and this is also going to be your very first stitch. So take now the stitch marker and place it in your very first stitch And now from now on we are going to make 1 single crochet in each chain, and I'll meet you back once I'm at the end of the first round. So 1 single crochet in each chain. Now once you are at the end of the first round, you are going to take your stitch marker off, and from now on we are going to slip stitch all of our stitches. Put the stitch marker back into your very first stitch and then slip stitch in the round. So we are working in continuous rounds for as many rounds as you want. I'm going to work my rounds off camera and then meet you back again to tell you how many rounds that I've made, and also how to close this to create a statement bracelet. Okay, so I have here a total of 14 rounds. Now you are going to cut your yarn and leave enough tail for the sewing, and you're going to take your so first pull your yarn through like so, and thread your yarn needle with your tail, and now we are going to fold our piece. So this is going to be the wrong side and this is going to be the right side, what I want to have on the outside. So fold it like so, and now we are going to close our stitches by going through the bottom and through the top. And don't pull too much on your yarn. So in each and every stitch. See? Okay, so close all the way around. So once you've sewn all the way around, you are going to weave your loose end in, like going a little bit back and forth with your yarn. So make sure that it's going to stay in place. This is also a great accessory to sell at markets, if you are going to the markets, or if you, yeah, just for sale. It's you don't need all that much materials, and it also a very fast working project. So now I'm going to cut my yarn and push this down into my work like so. And now I'm going to put the joining on the inside like this, and voila, you have now a statement bracelet. If you want to have more like to be larger on the wrist, you just need to add like about 1, 2 or 3 centimeters more than your actual measurement. So instead of making, like me, I have 21, instead of making 21, you can also hold your palm like so, and then, so I'm having 22, or you can make 24. So it's up to you. Go and do yours, and don't forget to tag me on my social media, so on Instagram, so that I can see your creations and what colorway you are going to work with. And yes, thank you all for watching and for joining me today for this short tutorial, and I see you next time with this project. Okay, so with this beautiful mermaid baby doll top. See you.